Did you know who is the doctor in the sky?
Between mental health and also physical health about not being lazy is one of the most important thing that everyone must do. So the least thing you could do is to walk. You just walk every especially every morning when when the air is pretty fresh, when the sun is not really that hot, but if it's hot it's great for you as well. So by walking, it's going to activate your dopamine receptors in your brain. So
Dopamine receptor.
exactly, dopamine. Okay, dopamine works as some kind of a reward system for your body. So if you accomplish something, it's going to make yourself satisfied. So as simple as walking or doing a workout is enough to trigger your dopamine receptors to excrete the dopamine.
I love this explanation. You becoming the doctor, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Being the best doctor that is educating and helping people to get healthier and healthier. But do you know the doctor in the sky? That is the doctor in the sky.
Yeah.